All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here today. Welcome, fellow maniacs. Today, we got an exciting video on 3 tech penny stocks that you need to watch right now. These ones are bound to explode. They are doing very, very well, but of course, they are highly volatile. They do come with a lot of risk, but that is why we trade these. You're not going to get 500, 1,000, 10,000% return without risk. If you don't want to be risky, if you don't want to make these huge returns, then you got to do something else. Get a job, open up a lemonade stand. But for all my real penny stock maniacs out there, this video is for you. So we're going to get right into the video. So in April, tech penny stocks are seeing a great deal of momentum. Just last week, shares of several FANG stocks hit fresh record highs. With the declining bond yields and investors focusing on growth stocks, the majority of the major tech stocks are seeing large bullish sentiment. Now, we are always looking for trends that we can make big amounts of returns in. So one of the ways we can identify trends is through the movement of the tech-savvy NASDAQ Composite Index. Year to date, the NASDAQ has pushed up by more than 9% as of April 12th. One of the more obvious reasons for this trend is that the impact of the pandemic. Throughout the past year or so, both product and service tech stocks have benefited greatly from this trend of work from home. Now, the demand for software as a service, the SaaS, and more product-heavy stocks like Micron Technology, Apple has increased by large amounts. While we are seeing a slight correction right now, this is normal across all industries and sectors. But Warren Buffett once stated, "Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful." This is essentially the same as buying the dip and selling when the prices are high. So with tech penny stocks in focus right now, which ones should you be watching? Well, I'm going to tell you right now the 3 top tech penny stocks. So let's get right into the video. The first penny stock on my list is Digital Ally, ticker symbol DGLY. So yesterday we had an explosive day, up almost 18% on the day, closing up at $2.03. Now, as you can see, the shares traded prices between $1.69 and $2.04. The volume was insane, was over 17 million, average being about 6 million. And as you can see on the chart, right around the 3 o'clock, 3:30 range, the stock just popped, going from about 176, 173 to that 203, 204 high. This is incredible for this stock. Now, many of you haven't heard of Digital Ally yet, but this company has made some big waves in the market recently. Now, let's take a look at the products they produce. They produce high quality video recording equipment as well as video analytics software. Now, these products are in distribution across several high volume industries. This includes law enforcement, emergency management, fleet safety, event security, and more. The products offered by Digital Ally are tailored solutions to security and management needs. While these are interesting for investors to consider, the recent price action from a new product line aimed at preventing the spread of the pandemic. Now, the product line known as Shield Health Protection products include Shield cleansers, non-contact thermometer controlled entry devices, an electrostatic sprayer for the disinfecting of large areas, and personal protective equipment, PPE. Now, this is a very broad line of products, but they are all targeted at capturing a very large market from the pandemic related issues. While products like PPE may not be as in demand as the pandemic decreases, other products are more geared toward long-term solutions. Now, even when the pandemic becomes less severe and the need for these products like thermometers and disinfectants could be around for months or even years. Now, outside of this, Digital Ally recently announced several large orders for its EVO HD in-car camera system. A recent order from the Royal Barbados Police Force represents the largest international deployment of its EVO HD system to date. Considering its large market reach and broad product lines, Digital Ally looks like an amazing penny stock that you guys need to put on your watch list. All right, guys, let's get right into number 2. Number 2 is Color Star Technology, ticker symbol CSCW. All right, another amazing day for Color Star Technology yesterday, up almost 17% on the day, closing up at $1.45 with a gain of 21 cents. Volume about 15 million. Shares traded throughout the day averaged between $1.19 to $1.53. And similar, right around that 2 o'clock mark, had a nice pop going to that high day, came down towards the end of the day, but still had a nice close at the $1.45. Okay, so Color Star Technology, in the past 6 months, the shares have shot up over 130%. Again, we saw solid momentum with CSCW on April 12th. This momentum came as ColorStar announced that it had regained compliance with the NASDAQ minimum bid requirement. While this is not a major announcement, this is confidence that this company is likely to succeed going forward. Now, moving into its business model, ColorStar works in the education tech or ed tech sector. It offers lessons from the best at your pace. In addition, ColorStar recently moved into both the Bitcoin and NFC markets. As an NFT penny stock, ColorStar is seeing more and more popularity than it has typically. This is due to the trending nature of anything related to cryptocurrency and the general crypto market. ColorStar's move into the NFT and crypto industry aligns with the recent announcement of its ColorStar app. The company stated that it will provide blockchain technology support on this app in conjunction with the company domain. Right now, this application is used to provide interactive entertainment. In addition, ColorStar plans to develop an NFT to be used with the production and release of its subsidiary, Color China Entertainment. Now, to add another layer to this, ColorStar also expanded its educational platform through a strategic cooperation agreement with the School of Digital Arts and Media at the Shandong University of Art and Design. Now, with all of these factors said, this is a great contribution to making CSCW a penny stock that you need to have on your watch list. Okay, and our last and final third tech penny stock on our crazy list today, fellow maniacs, is MoSys Inc., ticker symbol MOSY. What an amazing day for MoSys yesterday, up almost 11% on the day, closing up at $4.12, which was a 40-cent gain. Volume amazing, over 13 million. Shares traded throughout the day between $3.62 and $5.09. Now, if you were able to sell at that $5.09, you are living well today, guys. This is an amazing company. Okay, so now let's get into a little bit of MoSys does. Okay, so MoSys Inc. is a semiconductor and IP solution provider. Now, April 12th, which was yesterday, the company made headlines after acquiring 5 new patents for search and classification algorithm. Now, this is going to be used with their Stellar Packet Classification IP, and it's going to allow OEMs and network operators to deliver configurable 5G, UPF, SDN, NFV, load balancing, and security to millions of households. Now, the system that MoSys uses will also support certain Intel Corp and XLNX products. While the financial terms of this agreement are not disclosed, the acquisition of these patents could be an extremely valuable asset to MoSys. Now, at the end of last month, MoSys had more than $11.6 million in capital. This should definitely help fund its ongoing operations and the utilization of these new patents. Now, looking back at its fourth quarter results, CEO Dan Lewis stated that 2020 proved to be a challenging environment with the pandemic, contributing to delayed customer programs as well as constraints in both sales and the supply chain. Despite this, we continued to execute on our business plan and made significant progress on multiple fronts. Considering these large moves, MoSys is definitely an amazing company to watch. And of course, with the pandemic last year, most companies did suffer. I mean, there's not too many that didn't, maybe Amazon for one. However, so many companies were suffering. So this is nothing to worry about. Every time we hear earnings from 2020 and the last quarter of 2020, we're going to definitely hear something regarding it being challenging. So that's nothing we need to worry about. There you have it, guys. 3 amazing penny stocks for all you maniacs out there. So just to go over them, we had Digital Ally, which was ticker symbol DGLY, and we can't forget ColorStar Technology, ticker symbol CSCW, and our final that we just went over, MoSys Inc., ticker symbol MOSY or MOSY. All right, guys, that is it for now. We got these amazing penny stocks. If you want to get rich, if you want to make money, start looking into these stocks. But remember, when the risk is there, they're highly volatile. If you need to get out of a position because you're in a loss, get out while you can. Don't lose all your money. Don't let your account blow up. There's plenty of penny stocks out there to invest in. But like I said, once you get your 100, your 500, your 10,000% return, get out and move on to the next one. A lot of these stocks are here today and they're gone tomorrow, but so many are still here. You know, yesterday I had a video talking about Ozarus Medical, EARS, ticker symbol EARS, and that company's been around forever. I remember trading them about 8-9 years ago when they were actually in the pennies. They were like 10, 20 cents. And now look at them. They're in the $4 or $5 range. So really great companies to look at. Now for me, one of my favorites on this list is Digital Ally. They got all that. It's really exciting with the dash cam and the body cam, really trying to understand what's going out there on the streets. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks so much, fellow maniacs. Subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on those post notifications, and I'm going to see you maniacs in the next hot penny stock video.